Some people think using a laser to cut leather is cheating, but I don't buy that for a second. A laser is just one tool in a much bigger process. It doesn't replace craftsmanship, it supports it. I work with unfinished vegetable tanned leather, which means even after the pieces are cut, the real work is just beginning. I still dye it by hand stitch it, sand, and burnish everything by hand. Every single piece passes through my hands multiple times before it's finished. A laser might help me start with the precision, but it doesn't finish the product for me. And let's be honest, cutting leather perfectly by hand every single time takes forever, and even then, you're gonna have minor inconsistencies. With a laser, I could cut multiple pieces that match exactly, which makes a huge difference when I'm putting together something like a wallet. The cleaner your pieces are at the start, the easier it is to line everything up for stitching, get consistent edges, and make sure the final product feels tight and well built. But here's what a lot of people don't realize. The laser isn't just some plug and play miracle. There's a whole design phase that happens before a single piece of leather even hits the bed. I spend hours designing templates, adjusting for leather thickness, testing tolerances, checking how curves and corners behave after cutting. It's a mix of digital design knowledge and hands-on experience. That part alone takes time and patience. And beyond just saving time, using a laser actually opens up more creative freedom. I can experiment with complex designs, like layered builds, custom engravings, detailed patterns, or super precise cuts that would be nearly impossible to do by hand. It lets me push the boundaries of what I can make without sacrificing quality. And sure, I could cut everything by hand. I've done it, and I still do it when the project calls for it. But having a laser in the shop gives me options. If I'm working on a one-off custom job, or trying to scale a product I already perfected, using a laser helps me be more consistent, more efficient, and more creative. At the end of the day, it's just another tool on the bench. It doesn't make wallets on its own, and it doesn't replace skill. It just gives me more control over how I bring my ideas to life. So no, it's not cheating, it's evolving. If you've got thoughts on this, agree, disagree, or somewhere in the middle, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how other makers approach this. And if you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more leatherworking content, and if you want to check out some of my pieces I've made, head over to peeredleather.com. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.